Most side hustles fail not because people lack talent or opportunity, but because they underestimate what it actually takes to build something sustainable alongside a full-time life. Many people start a side hustle chasing quick money, viral success, or online hype, believing it will generate income fast with little effort. But the reality is that side hustles demand consistency, patience, and long-term thinking. One of the biggest reasons side hustles fail is lack of clarity and focus. People jump from one idea to another, try and dropshipping one month, freelancing the next, and content creation after that, never giving any single effort enough time to grow. Without a clear goal, target audience, or value proposition, the hustle becomes scattered and directionless. Another major reason is poor time management. Many underestimate how exhausting it is to work on a side hustle after long workdays or classes, leading to missed deadlines, irregular effort, and eventual burnout. Motivation fades quickly when progress is slow, especially when results don't match expectations set by social media success stories. Financial mismanagement is another silent killer. People either invest too much money too early or refuse to invest at all, expecting free tools and zero costs to deliver professional results. Mixing personal and business finances, failing to track expenses, and ignoring reinvestment needs eventually choke growth. Many side hustles fail because people skip learning essential skills such as marketing, sales, communication, and basic accounting. Having a good idea is not enough if you don't know how to sell it, position it, or scale it. Fear also plays a major role. Fear of judgment stops people from promoting their work confidently. Fear of failure prevents experimentation, and fear of pricing causes undercharging, which leads to exhaustion with little reward. Another critical mistake is trying to do everything alone. Side hustlers often avoid outsourcing, automation, or collaboration, believing they must handle every task themselves, which slows progress and increases stress. Lack of consistency is another major factor. Posting content irregularly, working only when motivated, or pausing efforts whenever life gets busy breaks momentum and confuses audiences. Many side hustles fail because people ignore feedback. Instead of listening to customers or adapting to market demand, they cling to their original idea even when it clearly isn't working. Unrealistic expectations also play a huge role. People expect profits in weeks when most sustainable side hustles take months or even years to mature. When results don't appear quickly, they quit too early. Comparison is another trap. Watching others succeed faster creates frustration and self-doubt, making people abandon their own path prematurely. Legal and operational neglect can also hurt side hustles. Ignoring contracts, taxes, licensing, or clear processes creates problems that become harder to fix later. Finally, many side hustles fail because people treat them like hobbies instead of businesses. Without systems, goals, schedules, and accountability, the hustle never evolves into a reliable income stream. Successful side hustles are built through discipline, learning, adaptability, and persistence, not shortcuts or overnight success. Those who survive understand that failure is feedback, slow growth is normal, and consistency over time is what separates successful side hustlers from those who quit.